What is this one?
All right, here we come to another elevator at Underwood Law Library. A big thanks to the staff in the lobby for allowing us to come here.
All right. And it works. Now the basement may be locked, but we'll see.
Yeah, he gave it to me at, I saw your ring, so I couldn't change it. Well, he gave it to me at like a coffee shop.
All right.
Oh, I saw that classic leveling. All right, let's board in.
Okay.
So.
I don't know if the game works.
All right, let's listen to the motor. Let's be quiet, shall we?
Sure.
You ready? All right, let's go on to 2. We got Alex today,
Hi.
and we're joining with Emma and Ben.
Hey.
This is a nice elevator.
With a little Otis Series 1 mod for fire service.
Whoa, that stopped so hard. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
All right, if you need to go, stand. It was nice to meet you.
All right, bye, Jim.
All right, you take care and have a great day. If I show you, I'll blur you out.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Oh, look at this. When the Otis wants to close, the Otis will close.
That's right.
All right, let's watch it shut. There it goes, and that's it.
Nice.